In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email on Klaviyo. We will create an email template using Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, then preview it and save it so it is ready to use later in a campaign or flow. Start by looking at the left sidebar in your Klaviyo account. Click Content and then select Templates. This is where Klaviyo stores all of the designs you can reuse, duplicate, and edit whenever you need a new email. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create. This opens the template creation options. Choose Email, since we are building an email template, and then click Create again to confirm. After that, Klaviyo will open the latest drag and drop interface. This is the main design workspace, with your email canvas in the center and your editing tools available around it. Now you can begin building your email layout. Use the sidebar to drag elements onto the canvas. You can drag in an image block if you want a banner, product photo, or logo. You can drag in a text block to add your headline, message, or any details you want readers to see. You can also drag in a button block for a clear call to action, like sending people to a product page or a landing page. As you place each block, keep your layout simple and easy to scan. A short headline, a few lines of text, and one main button is often enough for a clean, professional email. As you design, it helps to remember that many people will read your email on a phone. To check that, go to the top right and click Preview and Test. Use this view to review the mobile version and make sure images fit well, text is readable, and buttons are easy to tap. When you are satisfied with the design, click Done, then Exit. Klaviyo will automatically save your work, and your new email will be stored in templates so you can find it quickly and use it again. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.